Okay, example number 4. A dog is on the ground watching a cat on a 6-foot-high wall. The angle of elevation from the dog to the cat is 50 degrees. About how far from the wall is the dog? Alright, so a dog is on the ground watching a cat. So here's my dog. He's watching the cat on the wall. So here's my cat. This is the wall. And this is the ground. Alright. So the dog is on the ground watching a cat on a 6-foot-high wall. So that means this part right here is 6 feet. The angle of elevation from the dog to the cat is about 50 degrees. So there's 50 degrees. About how far from the wall is the dog? So this is what I'm looking for here. So I'm going to call that. I want to say W because the wall's over here. That's a W. How far? So let's call it F for how far. So if you just want to draw the triangle without all the words, this is 6, this is 50, and this is your F. So here's my theta. Away from my theta is the opposite. Here's my theta, the side that touches, oops, sorry about that. Here's my theta. The side away from the theta is opposite. It doesn't touch it. The side that is next to the theta, it touches it, is your adjacent. So what trig function uses opposite and adjacent? That's tangent. So the tangent of 50 equals the opposite, which is 6 feet, over the adjacent, which is my F. Put a 1 under it, make it a proportion, cross, multiply. So this is tan of 50 times F equals 6. So I need to isolate the F, so I have to divide to get rid of tan 50. So tan 50 times F divided by tan 50. Those will cancel out. And over here I will have 6 divided by tan 50. So now I'll go to my handy dandy chart. Go to 50 on the chart. Go to the third column for tangent. And you will get 1 and 1,118 ten-thousandths. So F is approximately, what do we have, 5.034. So my sentence will read, see, my question was about how far from the wall is the dog. So the wall is approximately 5 feet from the dog. It's crazy. squeeze it.